Yo, everybody. Hey, Simon here with Aim High Photography. Hey, guys, I completed my test of the ND filters for the GoPro Hero 13. Guys, I want you guys to look at some footage that I have. I have 3 GoPros mounted on top of my truck. One is ND16, one is ND32, and there's one that doesn't have any filter at all. They're labeled. I want you guys to look at the videos, and then we'll come back and decide on what I think about all this. All right, let's get it. Guys, what do you guys think about the ND filters for the GoPro Hero 13? Guys, I'm gonna get right to it. I'm not gonna make you wait any longer. Guys, you don't need it. The GoPro, the way it's designed, just straight out of the box, is good enough. If you're trying to get like some, the motion blur and all that kind of good stuff, and you wanna do all this and have the ND filters and stuff like that, guys, go right ahead. I'm not stopping you. I just don't see a need for it. The GoPro footage, just the way it was, guys, you guys saw it. It looked just so much better, just natural, just, unfiltered. I just don't see a need for this. Now, that's just me, in my opinion, and, my use case for it. I just love the GoPros straight out. In fact, I got them. Here's one right here. I mean, I just love them just the way they are. It's perfect. It doesn't need to be touched. And then not to mention, when you put the ND filter on it, you have to change the shutter speed. So if you're shooting at 4K 24, if you're shooting at 4K 30 or 60 or 120, you have to adjust the shutter speed. If you forget to adjust the shutter speed and you put the ND filter on, your footage is not going to look right. It's going to be either over or underexposed, as opposed to just getting your GoPro and just pressing record. This just simplifies life. And honestly, guys, that's what the GoPro was made for. It's just to simplify life. I mean, just press record. If you want to shoot a video, press the shutter button. If you want to take a picture, it's designed to make things easier. Don't complicate it any further with adding an ND filter. Guys, there's no need for it. Guys, that's just my opinion. Please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Send me with AMI Photography. I'm out. Yo.